Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the first one. At first open the phone dialer, then enter a secret code which is *06#. And here it is. Now you can see your IMEI numbers. Tap on OK to go back. And let's go to the second method. At the very beginning open the settings, then find and select About Phone. And here go to the very bottom of the list and select Status. And now you can see here is your IMEI number. You can also notice that there is serial number indicated as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.